Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. I'm sorry if my voice is a little off. I'm trying to do my best. It has been a whole bunch of hells of weeks. I don't want you to feel sorry for me. I'm just lately I've been kind of a little depressed because I can hardly use my hands. So I ended up doing paint by numbers, adding another craft. Like I don't have enough on my living room. But this is a craft that I tried before I instituted the YouTube channel. And I was kind of frustrated because there was no good videos that make sense, video that explains you about the process. And like I suggest that if you're interested in this and you want to watch good tutorials, go to Melanie B's Creative Studio. She has almost all the craft that I have except for the paper towel, but the paint by numbers playlist, it has 228 videos. Okay, and she's a great human being. She has gone through a lot too. I'm not gonna explain the detail. You'll find out by yourself on her YouTube video. She has a Facebook group, a very strict Facebook group, and I like that, because you cannot have people all rattling around and posting all kinds of things. So, and if you're interested in paint by numbers and you haven't friend me, please friend me or let me know. I will request it so I can invite you to her group. Okay, her group is great, it's wonderful. There's wonderful people over there, wonderful lovelies. Okay, so I had to try paint by brush. I'm behind on my diamond paintings. I'm behind on the cross stitch, the stamp and the beaded one, because I cannot grab the needle hard enough, and because cross stitch requires a lot of, and I cannot grab the pen for the diamond painting because they're thicker than a paintbrush, and the paintbrush is kind of a light movement. So having said that, please keep me in your prayers. This Sunday there will be no stamp or beaded cross stitch. Please bear with me. I'm gonna try to get a second opinion because the rheumatology that I went today, well, today's Wednesday when I'm filming, this is gonna come out on Thursday. Today when I was filming, today when I went to the rheumatology, I don't know, the person needs to be a rheumatology on a senior center, because I'm not criticizing senior because I won by myself, but the thing is, she was trying to employ with me old school treatments, and I'm not like that. I might be old in age, but I'm young in mind, and I'm open-minded to new technology, new ways to do things. I have like a Gen Z or millennial type on mine in certain ways, okay? Certain ways I'm old school, okay? But enough about this, okay? I just wanted to let you know what's going on, give your update to my lovely. But this is a post review of the ArtCreateLove unboxing that I did. I'm gonna post the link up there, and I'm the type of person that I'm gonna give second chance, and you guys know me on the Facebook groups that I do that, okay? But however, I'm gonna have to wait. Let me get you what I'm talking about. I was gonna try to do the lighthouse first, but I couldn't find them momentarily, and I wanted to start so I can do a post review. But here is a picture, a nice beautiful picture of this, okay, of the one that I'm going to show you that I finished, okay? And take a look at this. Okay, hold on just a moment. Let me fix the camera. Okay, here it is. This is what the paints turn out to be. Most of the paints were not like the one in the picture. I don't have a light olive green, you know, that I could blend. I tried to do some blending, so I practiced it. So I think that part came out pretty much. But take a look at this. Not even the butterfly at the bottom looks like a butterfly. It's too orangey. It's not a light yellow. So I honestly didn't like this, but there is solution. Also, let me show you what I tried to do with the lighthouse. I have it on my artboard. Yes, because I have an artboard because it's easier for you to deal with this. And take a look at the picture on the side. But take a look at how it's turning out. No. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm, like I said, Melanie B's Creative Studio channel. I mean, no, well, she has a website, supplies. Melanie B's Creative Supply, where she sells some supplies, and with her brand. And the thing is, she has great tutorials in there. I mean, I binge watched the other night. I was in so much pain and trying to forget about the pain. And even if you take Tylenol, the pain is still there. You cannot move your finger. I binge watch from 2 o'clock in the morning to 5:30 a.m. in the morning on her channel because they're so interesting. She makes so much freaking sense, okay? And sometimes she talks a little fast because she's hyper up with the coffee. She's funny, okay? She's funny, okay? And I love her. I love her channel. I love her Facebook group. And I don't, you know, I do respect her Facebook book. She doesn't know that I have a YouTube channel. And and I don't want, you know, to call, because she doesn't allow to post videos and self-promotion on her on her Facebook page. And I know because these stuff are her source of income. She has a website with her branded supplies for pay by numbers, and also, you know, I don't wanna, I respect her, in other words, because in order for you to demand respect, you gotta respect first, okay? You cannot, that's what I do, respect other Facebook groups. I don't go in there, do this or do that, or I try to suggest like idea one time and the person, you know, say no. So, you know, I didn't insist it. I didn't get into a discussion, because if I want to do things done in an orderly way, I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to create a Facebook group and I'm going to do what I have to do, okay? But I will apply the same rules. And so if you are interested, go ahead, watch her YouTube channel, okay? And it's called, I don't know how to link, put the link. Well, I'm probably gonna have to go up, copy and paste the link and put it in the description box, but you know how I am, I always forget. But she ought to, and she doesn't do this for the money. You can see her, you can notice it, you can even if it's through a screen, you can perceive her vibe that she loves her craft, okay? And I love her very much, and I'm so appreciative of having her put all this video about paying by numbers, because it has helped me a lot. Hence the fact that this can be fixed, okay? She got some items, she got some ways, you know, how to fix this, and when you want to change a paint. And she's a tool geek just like me, okay? She loves tools, and I love that, you know, because in order to make sense in your craft and be more efficient, and if you really love a craft, even a particular one, you gotta have the tools, okay? You cannot, you know, do magic wands with it. So this is a big no-no, and as my life house that it is. So I'm planning to fix this, but in order for me to do this, I gotta get the paint pots, the empty ones that Amazon sells, and I gotta get the cheaper paint set. The cheaper is the cream of la crop. Watch my unboxing video because I just got it. Okay, I'm gonna be filming after this, and it's gonna come out on Friday. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do on Saturday. Maybe I do a paint with me, so you can watch me painting. Because I'm doing, since I tried before, I'm doing this. This is from Paint by Numbers, and it's from 2 years ago. Okay, one recommendation that Melanie gives is don't keep a paint by numbers more than 6 months, because they tend to get clumsy. However, there is a liquid called Floaty by Liquitex that you pour in the, you can pour a straight, or you can dilute it. It gives you the instructions for diluting it, and it will, you know, help to cream up the paint. But I'm doing this one. I already started it, but you will probably see it on Saturday. Depends on how I feel, because lately, you know, this situation with my hands, many of you know that I love the craft, and I love to do craft, and I love to switch around. Paint my numbers, I like it. Cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, stamp cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, diamond painting. I had not even able to finish my ninth diamond painting, and I had not been able to get into the betrayal, because that's what's supposed to be next. So this is something that can be fixed, but the next time that ArtCreateLove contacted me to pick up an item, I'm gonna pick one of the big ones to see how it works. But I will paint a little bit. I'm not gonna be doing the whole thing, just to see how it works, okay? But this is gonna be fixed, because I really would like to see it like this, or closely, because I'm not an artist. You don't have to be an artist for this, but there's some people who apply their artistic experience, or who are artistic by nature, that can fix it. But Melanie videos, I cannot say enough. They're very complete. They're very common sense type, and I love it, and she's so much fun. Okay, so this is it. So with those little 5 ones that I got from them, I'm gonna have to wait until I can do some paint mixing, so I can fix this. So this is gonna be eventually done later. So let's see if next time we can, you know, work on this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.